namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much. For all the love and the support, guys, it means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so happy Diwali, guys. Okay, so for this Diwali I'm gonna do a blessing video. So what blessings are coming your way? What luck, fortune is coming your way? So that's going to be the reading for today. So I have bought these fortune cookies cards, so I'll be using those. Okay, so I have 3 earrings for you guys, so select. Okay, so just calm yourself, let go of all the worries, and just select a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so I have these candles today. I have just prayed for all of you guys, for divine to give you courage, for your spiritual growth, for love, for happiness, for prosperity, for peacefulness, for calmness. Like I just prayed for everyone, like everyone. I hope you all receive your blessings, and I am just praying for everyone today. And I feel like I'm so grateful for all of you. Okay, I'm really grateful. And yeah, that's what I have to say. I'm really grateful. I'm grateful, you know, from this bottom of my heart. I feel really emotional because I'm really grateful. All I have to say is, like, I'm really grateful for all of you guys. Okay, so I have 3 piles for you guys. So for group number 1 is this earring. Beautiful, na? Okay, so for group number 2 we have this earring. And for group number 3, so close your eyes, relax, and select a earring or a pile. You can go with numbers also, guys, so just choose intuitively. Okay, take your time. If you need more time, pause the video, take your time. So I'm going to start with group number 1. The timestamps will be in the description box. Group number 1, if you have chosen this earring, let's see what is your message, what is your luck, what is your fortune, what fortune luck is coming your way, what are the blessings coming your way. So I have this card for you guys. So let's see what is your message, what is your fortune, what is your luck, what is your blessing. Oh, friendship. A friend needs your help, your kindness and excellent counseling skills will put them back on track. So maybe this is a friend, maybe your friend will help you with your problems. They will help you find a solution, and you will be back on track. So I feel like there is like this energy of growth for you guys. If you have a good friend right now, this friendship is going to deepen, and this will be such a blessing for you guys. You know, friendships are a blessing, right? Isn't it? If you have a good friend, it's such a blessing. You know, you can share all the things to your friends. They will help you whenever you need that help. That kind of friendship. They are not going to leave you when you are in your difficult times. They will be there for you. They will be helping you. So you know, that kind of friendship is rare to find, but you are lucky in that area. Okay, so group number 1, yes, definitely for some of you, I feel like you have friends. They are so loyal and so authentic, and they, you know, they give you good advice as well. You give them good advice. So this is if you have a friend, this friendship is going to blossom. For some of you, this friendship might even turn into love. Okay, for some of you, it's not for everyone, it's just a specific message, but for most of you, I feel like you will be enjoying together, you will be sharing your secrets. It's like a deep bond, and it's such a blessing. You're getting lucky in that area. If you don't have friends, you're like, what I am talking about? That is what is coming your way. Good friendship, good people, loyal people who will help you in your dark times, right? Who will give you a different perspective, right? Maybe they will gift you something. I'm also getting like you might get a gift from your friend and you'll be so happy. Okay, so that's what I'm feeling like. Okay, and you know, I feel like your friendship, the thing is like if you have a friend already, this friend will say something that will warm your heart. It will make you so happy. It will make you, this friend will build you up. Like they will hype you up. I'm getting like that kind of energy. Okay, they will make you do the things that you never dare to do. Right? They're going to take you from your comfort zone, and you are going to try new things with them. So you're going to enjoy, and that's something I'm getting. Okay, wow, that's beautiful. So let's see what blessings are coming your way. Oh no, this is not. So I'm just gonna keep it here. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. So let's see what luck, fortune is coming your way. What blessings are coming for my group number 1. Wow, look, happiness. Definitely, you're going to be so happy. You're going to socialize a lot. I'm getting that also. If you were in this isolation or something like that, you're going to meet new people. You're going to enjoy time with new people. You're going to chat a lot. You're going to talk a lot. You're going to be like, people will appreciate you. They will say how beautiful you look, how smart you look, how handsome you look. Like, I'm getting like that. You're getting a lot of confidence. You're building your confidence also, and that's in that area. Like, you're socializing a lot. You're meeting new people, you are understanding a lot of new things, you're getting to know people, you're feeling happy, like you don't want to sleep. Like, sometimes what happens in life is like we want to sleep a lot, like because we are dreaming and we like to dream a lot. But for you guys, it's like you want to wake up early because your life is going to be so like, I feel like so busy. You will be meeting people, you will be talking with people, you will be feeling happy, so you just want to get up early and go out and have fun. I'm getting that kind of energy. Like, if you are in a workplace, you will be so happy to go to work because there are so many people around you who make you happy, right? That is the blessing, I feel like. Maybe if you have a new job, I feel like you might find good friends there, and so you'll be so excited to go to work, right? That kind of energy, like excitement, happiness. You're ready for work. Sometimes if we don't like the work, we are like lazy, we don't want to go to work, we cry over it. And if you are in that situation, I feel like that is going to be over, because there will be someone around you who will be hyping you up, who will be making you do a lot of things out of your comfort zone, and it'll make you happy. So a lot of happiness, that's what I'm getting. And if I'm getting, like, for some of you, it's a friend might call, old friend might call, and you might reconnect with that friend, and that will make you happy. So that is also I'm getting. Okay, so that is a blessing. So for you guys, I feel like people are coming as a blessing. Different people, friends, maybe family. You're talking with your family, you're reuniting with your family, enjoying that gala time, like sitting up late at night, talking about things, enjoying. When we have that sleepovers, when a friend comes over, we don't sleep, we just talk. Like that kind of energy I'm getting for you guys. You're feeling very happy, very emotionally satisfied energy. It's like you're very happy, you're feeling fulfilled. You feel like you can share your dreams to someone who will just hype you up, who will not criticize you, right? You can share the deep secrets with someone, and I'm getting like such a beautiful relationship is coming your way. Okay, and I'm very happy for you guys. And you know what? In life, we need that, right? We need a good friend. And I feel like you're getting that. Or if you have already that one friend, you're going to enjoy a lot with that friend, and your friendship is going to blossom. So let's see, what is the message, what is the blessing for my group number 1? Death. Yeah, ending of a chapter. It's like maybe for some of you, letting go of toxic friendship, and you're meeting new friends who will not be like your old friends, who are not going to be the snake, like gossiping, talking bad about you, or maybe they just want you when they need you, right? They're not for you. You have to be for them, but they will not be for you. They will criticize you. So I feel like that is what is going from your life. You're letting go of a lot of people who are not good for you, and you're meeting new people who will be loyal to you, who, because of them, you will be so happy. And that's what I'm getting. and that is going to be a blessing, guys. So yeah, end of a chapter, it's a new chapter, and we are already we are in Scorpio season, right? And we got the death card. So definitely this month maybe you're meeting new people, and I feel like this connection will be instant. Like it will be like you will click together very easily. That kind of energy I'm getting. Or maybe this is someone from your past, and you will reconnect. That is also I'm getting. But definitely you're letting go of people who used to exhaust you. Like sometimes friends also exhaust us, right? Maybe you had that kind of friendship, or maybe family members, or some people around you who were toxic. Finally you're letting go of them. Or maybe they were secretive, they did things behind your back, so there was a lot of deception. Finally you're getting out of it, and or maybe for some of you it's like you're getting out of these relationships, so that's why you're happy. You're finally having your time, and you're like, oh my god, thank god this ended. Now I'm happy, now I'm feeling free, right? Like sometimes when a toxic relationship ends, we feel free, we feel happy, right? So that's something I'm getting. So let's see what else, what blessings are coming for my... Yeah, you're not going to be bored anymore. Maybe for some of you didn't have a lot of friends, or you didn't have a friend, so you were very bored at home. Finally you're socializing, you're not bored at all. You have a lot of events, you have a lot of things to do, you're going to be very busy. Yeah, okay. Wow, look at the Empress. Yeah, like I feel like for some of you this friend will be someone who will nurture you. Like they will, look with this card also I have, a friend needs your help, your kindness and excellence. And I feel like this friend, for some of you this friend will counsel you, okay? I'm getting that also with this Empress energy. If you're a male watching, I feel like this might be a female who will come into your life, who will guide you, who will give you a different perception, who will nurture you, who will, who will show you the kindness that you haven't seen in your life. And you will feel so happy. It's like such a nurturing energy, like Mother Earth Gaia. She gives so much to to us, right? There are a lot of trees. Like she gives and gives and gives. So that's something I feel like this friend will give you a lot of happiness, I'm getting a lot of advice. This person will light up. For some of you, this can turn into romance also. I'm getting, okay. Yeah, that's something I'm getting. Look, we have Six of Wands energy for you guys. Victory, wow. So you're feeling victorious. So like look here, you were feeling hanged, like you were feeling stuck. I feel like the blessing is like you're not going to be stuck anymore. You're not going to be stuck with people who you don't like. You're only going to be with people who you admire, who you want to share time with, who you want to enjoy life with, right? Sometimes we are stuck with people who we don't want to be with, right? So I feel like that is the blessing coming your way. It's like people, the surroundings are changing, the environment is changing, you're meeting new people. For some of you, you are reconnecting with old people, so you're feeling very happy. You're finally getting out of toxic patterns, toxic environment, feeling happy. Maybe for some of you, you might be graduating, so this college was not good, like children around were not good, students were like, they were toxic people around. So finally you're graduating, this chapter has ended. Now you're moving on to a different phase where you're meeting good people. So yeah, that's something I'm getting. So for some of you, Six of Wands, I feel like the things that you have been working for, like maybe for some of you, if you have been preparing for an examination, your friend will help you with it and you will be victorious in it, okay? So some sort of recognition is also coming your way, okay? So yeah, so let's see what else from Ganesha. What is the message, what is the blessing from Ganesha? We have Ganesha's cards, so let's see. Wow, fulfillment, look, fulfillment. For some of you, definitely completion of a project, feeling very successful with this fulfillment. If you have been preparing for your exams, you will be fulfilled by the results. You will be very fulfilled. After you give the exam, sometimes we feel very fulfilled. Yes, I did my best. So that kind of fulfillment you're going to get. You will be very happy with your results. So some of your hard work is paying off. And with the 6 number also, like a lot of harmony, lovers. It's, the 6 is lovers number. So yeah, there is a lot of good people around you, lot of loving and caring people around you. You will be very satisfied with your relationships. Okay, that is something I'm getting, and that's a blessing for you guys. So if you are someone who don't have that good friend, that's coming your way. And sustenance, yes, I feel like what you need will be provided to you guys. That's what I feel like. And look, we have the modak here. I'm getting like sweets. You will be you will be giving sweets to other people, like distributing chocolates and all. Like, I passed this exam. Like, some sort of celebration. The things that you have been working hard for. For some of you, it can be about your learning, about your about your course, like completion of a course, and you're so happy. You're like giving chocolates to other people. You're celebrating your success. So that's something I'm getting. And look, 6 and 7. So yeah, there is growth. There is progression for you guys. And we have 2 6 here, right? And yeah. So harmony, balance, because 6 is like after 5, after the action, after the challenges, and that's going to change, and that will lead to harmony, like friendship, good people, feeling good about yourself, feeling satisfied, feeling happy. It's like I'm getting like from your inside, you're feeling very, very satisfied. Okay, so that's the blessing. So let's see what else for you guys. For some of you, it's about your education. Okay, if you have been trying to pass an exam, I feel like you will. We have Gutumi, cloak of wisdom. You already know the answer you seek. Trust what you know. It's time to trust your intuition. Trust your intuitive leads. Take a leap of faith. So if you have any idea, if you want to take action, go for it. And I even feel like that when you will meet these new people, you will know it, that they are good people, that you can, that they will vibe with you. So I feel like you will know it. You know it. For some of you, you know who this friend is. I'm getting like that. You know who this friend is. So just spend some good time with them. Give them guidance when they need to, because you are very intuitive. For some of you are the one who is giving guidance, and because of it, they admire you. Okay, they admire your motivation abilities. Maybe you inspire them. So yeah. So they're like, oh my God, you know everything. How you know everything? They will be like asking you. So you're very, very knowledgeable person. I'm getting very like even though you're young, you have so much of wisdom, and they love that about you. And yes, you're going to be like, it's one step towards happiness. I feel for you guys. Go slow, guys. You're going to be happy. You're going to reach your goals. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So I feel like taking one more card from this for you guys. Let's see what is the blessing coming for my group number 1. Commitment. Yes, commitment is also important, right? When we have a friend, we need to be committed to you guys, to them, right? We need to be committed. And with this friendship, I feel like this friend will be committed to you guys. Or maybe for some of you, this is a message that this friendship might turn into love. For some of you, I'm getting this Empress energy. Maybe this person can be Virgo or Taurus. I'm getting that also. So definitely a commitment is indicated around love or business. It will make you feel better. So definitely I feel like for some of you, this is a commitment from your friend, or this is like a friendship is blossoming into love. For some of you, that is a blessing there. So let's see. Charms and letters for you guys. Group number 1. What blessings, what luck and fortune is coming your way? Oh God. Sorry. So a helmet fell. Let me take this, okay? There is one charm. It's a helmet. So a lot of protection. This friend will protect you. You will protect this friend also. So a lot of caring energy. You are going to be like pampered. I'm feeling this friend of yours will pamper you, will hype you up, as I told you. A lot of protective energy. So the people are like ready to fight for you. If someone says something to you, they will be like, why they said this to you? You're like that energy, like someone has your back all the time. You're like feeling very happy about it. Yeah, heart. Look, love, lot of love, feeling very fulfilled. Your heart chakra is going to be open, receiving a lot of blessing, feeling happy. When our heart chakra is open, we feel, you are a very heart-centered person. So yeah, you're feeling very good. You're feeling the warmth. You're feeling the joy from your heart. Wow. Look, we have the specs, and then we have this blue color. This is like third eye chakra. Your third eye chakra is activating. You're seeing the things very clearly. You know who is good for you. You are like you know who is lying to you. You can see through the deception. That's why you're letting go of a lot of toxic people. Good friendship, good people are coming your way, and that is your blessing. Things are going to speed up for you guys with this rabbit. If things are stuck right now, things are going to speed up for you guys. Okay, there is a news. As I told you, maybe someone will message you for your old friend. There is some sort of news coming your way, and we have color. Yeah, be confident. You're going to shine. You're going to shine. So if you have a party, just wear the dress you want to wear, or the suit, or the whatever, pant or shirts, whatever you want to wear, just wear that, and you're going to shine. People will notice you guys. And paint your life with the colors you love. That is also I'm getting. And we have, okay, look, everything is okay, guys. Everything, you're at the correct time. Nothing is wrong. You're okay, you're good. And yes, V, victory. I'm getting Z. Okay, and we have look, in this heart we had key. So for some of you, a lot of adventure is coming your way. Opening your heart to someone, spending a lot of quality time with someone, going out, having like feeling very independent. You're feeling very independent. For some of you, you're very independent. At the same time, you're feeling very dependent. Now, how to explain this? Like, you can take care of yourself, but at the same time, people are taking care of you. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense, but it's like you're okay by yourself because you have learned that lesson, but now people are there for you. People has your back. But you can do things by yourself also. You're very independent. And for some of you, there is a pet. Maybe you will adopt, or you have a pet that loves you a lot. Okay. And you're healing. Like for some of you, your pet might heal you, heal your heart, or maybe your pet is, pet loves you a lot, something like that. But a lot of adventure, a lot of happiness, a lot of abundance. Look, the keys are open. The door is you have the key now. It's going to open. Your heart is going to open. Someone is going to open your heart, guys. So maybe it's a friend also. Like finally you're feeling that love again. Maybe you lost it somewhere. Finally feeling that. Okay, let's see the letters. We have S. Maybe you will get some clues. S and P. R O E C C E O. Oh, for some of you, maybe you're getting a good position. CEO, maybe a raise in your company, maybe something like that. Okay. Then maybe some of you are BTS fan. I don't know. I'm getting that energy. Like you watch a lot of Korean dramas and all. Maybe that makes you very happy. Maybe you will make an online friend from a different country also. That is also possible for some of you. Like look, we have, or maybe you're going to travel to Korea or something like that. We don't have A, but definitely Korea, something related to Korea. Or maybe you want to go to Korea for studies or something. Maybe that will happen. Okay, we have a sun. So a lot of love from your children also for some of you. Yeah, if you had problem with your kids and all, that's healing, guys. Okay. That's it for group number 1. Bye bye. Take care, guys. I hope you receive all the blessings this Diwali. I hope you enjoy. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Group number 2. If you have chosen this object, this earring. Let's see what is your message, your blessings, your luck, your fortune. So in which area you're going to be lucky, you're going to be fortunate? Let's see. Oh, we have romance. Love is set to sizzle. The chance for romance is high for those seeking a connection. Okay, if you're seeking a connection, definitely that's going to come. If you're single, a new person is coming your way. That might be a luck, fortune. So believe in it. Okay, believe in it. Be open to that also. Okay, be open. Sometimes what happens is we just sit at home. We don't socialize. Don't be like that. Go out, talk to people. So I feel like someone is coming your way. And if you are already in a committed relationship, I feel like the romance is going to sizzle. A lot of passion, spending time together, talking a lot, having heart-to-heart conversation, feeling very loud, feeling very pampered, like romance always in the air. If you're that I'm getting if you had problems in your relationship, you're resolving those problems, those misunderstandings, and coming back together. Okay, and if you're single, yes, definitely there is a chance for, if you're seeking a connection, if definitely I feel like if you have chosen group number two, that means maybe you have been seeking a connection. If you are not, maybe this is not your pile. But definitely what I feel like, romance is going to be in air. You're going to have fun together, going out together, going on dates, watching movies. So enjoy that time. Okay, and I feel like for some of you might be closed off because of your past experiences. So don't let your past experience sometimes our past experience comes in between, and because of it we makes wrong decision, right? So don't do that. Trust your intuition. Okay, so let's see what else, what blessing is coming your way for group number 2. Oh, look, fire spirit energy. Maybe for some of you manifesting romance, maybe you're manifesting your soulmate using fire rituals, and also keep on doing it because it's working. And with this fire spirit energy, I feel like that you are at this time is, I feel like next 30 days might be very very good time for you guys. For this manifestation, maybe meet new people. This is the time I'm getting, like I'm getting your energy is very good, you're very aligned with the universe, I'm getting. And your work, maybe for some of you are in love with your work. Okay, I'm even getting like that, you're in love with your career, and I feel like that is also going to grow. So the things that you want in your life, if you are focusing on that, that is going to grow the energy. So focus on the positive energy, because this is a time of manifestation. You will see your manifestations. If you are very positive, definitely you're going to see the energy is very good, I'm getting. And for some of you are looking like fire, like you are glowing. You have a, like, people, lot of people will be attracted to you guys because you're glowing, the way you dress up. People are like looking you. Even if you walk with 10 people, people will notice you. That is what I'm getting. You have a major glow up. Maybe you're doing something, you're maybe changing your style or something like that is going to suit you a lot. Maybe you're changing your dress style, maybe buying new dresses and experimenting with that. I feel like if there is a celebration you're going, if there is a celebration coming, if you will go, I feel like people will notice you. Your energy is very very like magnetic energy. I'm getting that Queen of Wands energy, like very confident, very courageous. You have learned lot from your past. Now you're not going to fall into the traps or deception. You know who you need to connect with. Okay, you're very clear with it. Like if you meet someone, if you're like talking to that person, you will like be very clear. You will be very open you will be very open to what you expect from a relationship. You're not going to change for the person, right? You will be the same person, and if that person matches your energy, then only that thing will move forward. And I feel like that kind of people you're going to meet. Okay, so let's see. Be confident, be magnetic. You're very magnetic, you're very beautiful people. Understand that. Okay. Yeah. Look. We have 7 of Swords and Fool energy. So yeah, you're not going to listen to other people's BS now. You know who is manipulative. You have learned a lot of things. Who is toxic, you notice the red flags, and I feel like that is your that is also a blessing, that you notice it very easily. You trust your intuition and you're like, no, this is not the one, this is like something is problematic here, and you will be like out of that. So if you meet if you're meeting new people also, you see through the lies, you see through the deceptions. Okay, and look, we have full energy. You're ready to experiment. I feel like that you're ready to experiment. You're ready to meet new people. You are not taking your past with you. You're letting go of the past, right? I feel like in your life you have gone through a lot of bad romances or something like that, like bad people, toxic energy, like you have met a lot of toxic people. Finally you're letting go of it. Maybe that thing, like because of your past, you were stuck for a long period of your time. Long period. You were stuck for a long period, but finally you're releasing that toxic people from your life. You're cleansing, you're like detoxing, you're changing, you're becoming confident in yourself. Maybe because of your past, you have lost your confidence. Maybe people have told you that you don't look good, and because of it you became like insecure, and finally you're letting go of that insecurity. You're feeling free. You're ready to move forward. You're going to experience life, right? You're not going to take life very seriously. So maybe you used to take life very seriously, but I feel there is a shift in your energy. Your energy is like, you're very confident in yourself, you have the power, you have the strength, and you know who is good for you. You can see through the lies, you can see through the deception. Now it's like time of celebration. Like, I'm going to do what I want to do. I'm going to be with those people only who I can vibe with, right? So you're going to be in this energy of Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords. Like, you will be very like, if you meet this new person, you will be like saying all the things you need in a relationship. You will be very open. Okay, I'm getting that energy from you guys. So you're not afraid of anything anymore. You're not afraid to get into a relationship again, right? That's the thing. I feel like you were working on your shadow self. I feel like that you were very afraid, you were very fearful to get into a relationship again, but I feel like you're letting go of that. So in your career also, maybe other people have ditched you, like they have taken advantage of you. Now you're feeling very confident about yourself, and you now I feel like that you know who you can trust, and you're not going to allow other people to take advantage of you some way. I feel like the blessing is like, you are transforming, you're becoming more strong, more courageous. You're not taking the heavy load from your past. You're not taking that baggage anymore. You're believing in yourself, you're trusting in yourself. Okay, that's something I'm getting. That's a blessing. It's like a new life for you guys. You're feeling new again. Look, we have Ace of Cups, feeling new, taking care of yourself. This pile is all about self-love, taking care of yourself, filling your own cup. That is the blessing. Maybe you didn't do that, right? This is a new life. Like, we have 7, then we have 0 and 1, and 7 of Swords is like letting go of toxic people, letting go of toxic environment, maybe letting go of your toxic habits. Maybe you were the one who was very kind, who used to try to please people. You used to do everything for other people. You didn't you felt insecure. You sabotaged yourself, and that is that part you're letting go of yourself. Maybe in your romance also, people made you feel like you're not worthy enough, you have to do things for them, you changed for them a lot, but finally, like, I'm getting, you're becoming courageous, you're full of power, you're taking your power back, you're loving yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you're filling your cup. So if you're single, for some of you, yes, there is a chance for romance, but you will be like, you will not get very easily into a romantic relationship. You will test that person. I'm getting like that also. You will test that person, and you will see if this person is best for me, then only I'm going to take this person, otherwise I'm not going to. So you have some sort of you have made some sort of rules, or you will look at that red flags and all, because you're taking care of yourself. Wow, it's like you're maturing a lot as a person. And I'm getting the major blessing for you guys is your own transformation. You're not going to trust people very easily. You can see, right? So wow, that's something I'm getting. Major transformation from inside, and that is the blessing. Oh God. So we have 2 cards. We have energetic movement. Yeah, again we have this energetic movement. So you're cleansing a lot. You're letting go of that past energy, that toxic energy, that negative energy. You're like moving away from those things. Like 5 is all about changes, right? You're moving away from those. Maybe for some of you, you always used to think about the negative situations that happened in the past. Finally you're releasing that, and that is a blessing for you guys. And yes, definitely spiritual practice is something that you need to do every day, like lighting a candle or lighting a lamp, or taking, or like saying positive affirmations for yourself, like looking in the mirror, saying that positive affirmations like I am strong, I'm powerful, I'm beautiful, I'm smart, I'm intelligent, I can take care of myself, right? That kind of energy I'm getting here. So for many of you, it's important to have a spiritual practice like chanting or dancing, maybe dance, maybe listen to drumming. That all will help you guys. Okay, so definitely your energy is shifting from your attitude is shifting. You are becoming more strong. The way you see things now is different from the past. You're a different person. Yeah, this is like an inside thing I'm getting. You're changing from inside, and that is the blessing. You're becoming more strong. Wow. And you're believing in yourself again. You're not insecure about yourself, right? Maybe in the past people have made you feel like that, maybe your friends, maybe your parents, but finally you're like, I'm worthy of all the love. And yeah, you're ready to glow. And yeah, that's the thing for group number 2. Let's see what else. Look, wow. Rise up, honor your inner force. Steps are being given. Dance with the universe. Yes, that's the thing. Like with a snake, shedding the skin, letting go of the past. You have shed your own skin. You're not the same person anymore. You're like, you were in this box, you were a caterpillar. Now you're going to be the butterfly. Now people will tell why you are like this, you're weird, and you're going to say to them, I have done a lot for other people. I have sacrificed so much. I was this insecure person. I changed myself for others, because they didn't like me. That's why I changed myself. But now I'm not going to change for other people. If I feel that I need to change, then only I'm going to change. Because to make other people happy, I'm not going to do this people pleasing. Like, you are shedding that old skin, you're becoming strong. So there will be people who will not like you, and it's okay. They are not here for you guys, right? So it's okay to let go of those people who don't understand you, who don't value you, or who don't appreciate you, right? So it's like a next level for you guys. Like the way you talk is changing, the way you sit, like you're speaking very confidently. Maybe you used to be very, when you speak to new people, you were very afraid, very nervous, but now you're like more confident. You can, like if you go to an interview, you are very confident, you speak your mind, that kind of energy. So yeah, so always have a spiritual practice. Keep yourself grounded, okay? That's also important. So universe is there for you, and everything is happening for you guys. So in the past, it was just to make you strong, and these all things happened for you, okay? For you it happened to make you strong, to make you courageous. Like, yeah. And I feel like you're going to inspire a lot of people, and some people will be like, what you did, wow, what a glow up, how you're so confident. They will ask you, and you can help them, right? So let's just take one more card from this. Let's see what is your luck, fortune coming your way. Yeah, perseverance. You may feel like you're getting nowhere, but there are wonderful changes ahead. Don't give up. Don't give up on yourself. Believe in yourself. Trust, like the fool. Trust. Fool. I feel like fool is not afraid of failures. He's going to do whatever he wants to do. He's not thinking about his past. He's just in the present moment, and he's going to work hard. Like, that's the thing. Don't give up now, because you're going to succeed. And this is a major transformation for you guys. You are transforming. It's like a new birth for you guys. You're a different, whole new person. Wow. Let's see the charms in the letters. What blessings are coming for group number 2? Yeah, you are going to shine like a sun. Now people will notice you because of your confidence. Maybe in the past people didn't. And I feel like you were that insecure child or you were that insecure person, but now you are not. There is a major transformation. Look at this. Look at this, the snake. Yes, you are shedding your old skin. You are this new person again who's going to shine. Your light is going to be so bright that people will close their eyes. I'm getting that. Oh my god. So yeah, no one can deceive you anymore. Yeah, wow. So yeah, emotions, you will take care of your emotions. You're not going to suppress your emotions. If someone says something bad to you guys, you are not going to go to home and cry. You will like stand up for yourself. I'm getting that energy. Yeah, you're not going to give up. Don't give up. You're not going to give up. I know that. You're very strong. And yes, you are the magic manifestors, right? Maybe for some of you, you are into music and people have criticized it, but you are going to make a comeback. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, look, peacock, vibrant. People will notice you. People are going to notice your glow up. It's like a new chapter for you guys here. Yeah, take action, move forward, don't give up. Yeah, sometimes things might be slow, but you're very, very protected. Keep on moving forward, guys. Like lot of knowledge, read books, okay, have a spiritual practice. That's very important for you guys. Yeah, you're going to open up. You're not going to suppress. Yeah, a lot of love. You're going to love yourself, self-love. Yeah, we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, spiritual practices needed, learning, meditating, walking in nature. Maybe you're doing it already. Keep on doing it, okay? And yeah, changes. Definitely a cycle has ended. 5, 5 and 10. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, F we have. Then what else? O, E. Yeah, you are not going to self-sabotage yourself anymore. You have done that a lot of times. Now, no. You're taking care of your body. You're eating healthy. Yeah. Yeah, we have, yeah. We have hot, yeah. You're glowing, oh my god. Self transformation. You're going to transform. Oh my god. People are going to notice you. A lot of glow up. You're going to be secure in yourself, very confident people. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Happy Diwali. Group number 3, if you have chosen this jhumka, let's see this earring. Let's see what is your message for group number 3. What luck, blessing, fortune is coming for group number 3. So we have planning. Now is the time to lay down the foundations for your future. Financial gains are more than likely. Wow. So if you have been planning something, if you have been investing in something, I see that investment will be very good. So if you're working hard on your finances, if you're working hard on your career, I see there is growth. If you're planning, like if you have a plan, like I need to do this, I need to invest here, I need to do that, if you're doing that, I feel like this will give you a lot of success. So there is definitely financial growth for group number 3. So you're going to see your fruit of labor, like the seeds that you have planted in the past are going to grow and become a big tree, and they are going to give you the fruits, right? So fruits of your labor, like the planning, the things you have planned, if you have been working hard for something, that's going to come your way. So yes, your finances are going to be good, okay? Don't worry. Let's see what is the blessing, fortune for my group number 3. I feel like if you're going through some difficult times, it will be over very soon. This is just temporary problems, so don't worry, okay? Just temporary problems. It will move. It will go away, okay? Don't worry too much. Don't stress too much. Maybe for some of your emotions, maybe you think something about your past and you stress a lot, like something that happened in your past, and you think about it, you think like for some of you that's a problem right now. So maybe you need to ground your energy, meditate at that time. It's okay. Sometimes we are human beings, we feel like that, and it's okay. Don't take too much pressure on you, like why I'm thinking like that. Don't do it. Just rest when you're feeling from inside, like a lot of emotions are coming, maybe light a candle or write your emotions down and burn it up. Maybe you will definitely feel good afterwards, okay? Or just take a bath, talk about it, cry, and let it go, okay? So like that you can do it, okay? So, or maybe if you want to talk to someone, if you feel like, yeah, I need to share this with someone so I can take it, I can take it out, so do that also. Maybe there are people around you who will listen to you guys, okay? So that's also I'm getting. So don't keep it to yourself, release it. And it's okay, sometimes it happens. I also do that, and it's okay. So don't worry too much about that. Like sometimes we worry why I'm thinking too much, so it's okay. You are the leader, you can do it, okay? I feel like you people are the one who give guidance, motivation to other people, but at the same time sometimes you need to motivate yourself, guys. Sometimes you get stuck in your own thinking, and I feel like this pile is like you are overthinkers. You used to overthink a lot. You have been changing a lot through your spirituality, spiritual progress. You have a balance now, but sometimes you go back again. Like sometimes you go back and think a lot again. It's okay, guys. I'm sure you will come back. So that is also a blessing. Beauty, wow. So yeah, look, good people around you. So don't worry. Maybe in your past there were people who didn't notice your beauty, your kindness, your compassion. They didn't motivate you, but no, that's not going to happen again, guys. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry, guys. No, your past is not going to repeat. Maybe you have had like a lot of circumstances in your life, in your past, that was not good for you. It affected your mental health, it affected your physical health, but yeah, that is not going to repeat. What you need to see is the beauty of the present moment. I feel like you are going good. I'm for some of you, I feel like you're going good, your present is okay, but you think about your past and you think about that difficult times, and you worry whether these times will come again or not. So don't be like that, okay? See the beauty is in now. So be in the present moment, and your present is your blessing. That's what I'm getting. Your present is your blessing, guys. So don't be attached to materialistic things or people too much, okay? We can love, but be little detached also. Is it possible? I don't know, because I am also a person who is very attached, but this is the message I'm getting, right? So yeah, attachment, I'm getting like sometimes attachment gives us a lot of anxiety. If we are attached to someone or something, and we have this, wow, if this thing will be taken away from me, what I will do. Like sometimes we stress about it. So don't be attached. You can love, you can nurture that thing, but don't be so attached, okay? That's also I'm getting good friendship also for you guys. Like going a travel also is something I'm seeing, like seeing a lot of good places. That's something I'm getting. Maybe a travel might happen and you will feel very good about that place. A beautiful place maybe you will visit. It can be a place that will be near, or it can be far also, right? So let's see what else for group number 3. What blessing, luck and fortune is coming your way? Wish. Someone is here is wishing for something. Maybe your wish will come true. So believe in yourself, believe in your wish, manifest, imagine, because it will come. Don't worry. Okay, let's see what's the message for group number 3. We have Knight of Swords. Again, with this Knight of Swords, I'm getting like you're very, your thoughts sometimes is very up and down. You think a lot of things, like sometimes you're sitting and you, like a lot of thoughts comes, a lot of negative thoughts comes out of nowhere. So, so be patient with yourself, meditate, or maybe you assume a lot. What if this happens? What if that happens? You assume a lot. Don't do that. Don't assume a lot of things. It's not true, okay? Don't make up. So I feel like the blessing is you will be able to come back into harmony. You will be able to balance, okay? And I feel like if things are stuck, like with this Knight of Swords also, travel is also for some of you. And if you're feeling stuck, things are going to move forward. Don't worry. And with this Wolf also, you're not going to be alone. You will have people around you who will help you, who will motivate you, who will inspire you. You're not alone. You're not here to be alone, okay? Yeah, but you are not here for everyone also. That's also something. Okay, let's see. Six of Cups. I feel like you're healing your past, definitely. Yeah, a chapter, your past. That chapter has ended, guys. That's the blessing. That chapter has completely ended. You don't have to think about that again and again and hope for the worst. Don't do that, because that cycle is not going to come back. The past, you are healing your past finally, okay? Maybe for some of you it's like that emotions are coming very strongly because you're healing it, okay? You're completely healing it, so that's why. So that chapter has ended. Yeah, cycle has ended. You have overcome that difficult time has ended. It's not going to repeat. Don't think too much about it, okay? So definitely with this World card there is some sort of victory, success coming your way. Definitely travel vibes I'm seeing for you guys with this Knight of Swords and World card. There is maybe you were manifesting something in your past, you want to travel to this place. That's also happening. A beautiful place where there's a lot of nature, that kind of place, okay? Maybe you want to see snow or something like that. That is also quite possible for you guys, okay? Wow. So look, you're a very courageous person, you're a very strong person, so believe in yourself. Yeah, let go of that past, okay? Because that cycle is not going to repeat. Maybe for you guys I feel like you have gone through that cycle a lot of times and that's why you're very afraid. No, okay? Don't get into that thinking, and no, you will not manifest that, okay? Maybe sometimes you fear, like, I'm thinking about it, I'm assuming things, imagining things. Will it manifest? No, just let go of it, okay? Do something else, meditate. It is not going to come. That's your blessing here, don't worry. Wow. Let's see, what is the message from Ganesha? What blessings are coming from Ganesha? Let's see, we have Ganesha cards here. Wow, look at it. Divine is with you, guys. Why are you worrying? So whenever you are stressed, chant Om. Chant Om. You will feel very, very good about yourself. You will feel happy. You will feel a connection with the divine. You are very connected. Actually, you're very, very connected. Okay, you are connected with nature. You're connected with divine. And yes, I'm getting again this thing. You're not here for everyone, and it's okay. Don't feel guilty. You're not here for everyone. It's okay. Don't feel guilty. I'm getting this repeated message here. So maybe for some of you, feeling guilty why I'm thinking like that, or am I thinking wrong or something like that? And here, Spirit is saying, no. Don't be guilty. Okay. Loving yourself is not something that you have to be guilty about. Maybe you didn't do it, now you're doing it, so you are strong, you're confident, you're making priority, like your mental health is your priority now. So you're not going to be in a place where your mental health is going to be questioned, and so don't be guilty, so don't feel like that, okay? It's okay. So whenever you want support, ask for support from Divine. Ganesha is here to provide you with all the guidance, all the support, and lot of signs. Listen to the signs, see the signs, okay? So maybe for some of you, you will be like, oh, this is a coincidence, and you will not believe in it. So nothing is a coincidence for you guys. You're going to receive lot of signs. I'm seeing an elephant. So yeah, good luck. Also very courageous people you are, and Ganesha is there for you. He is removing all the obstacles. So don't worry. I feel like the major obstacle for you guys is like your own thinking. You think a lot. Okay, let go of it. Okay. I know it's very easy to say than to work, but sometimes we need to have that discipline. Our mind should also be disciplined. When we work, we discipline. When we exercise, we have discipline. But sometimes with our thoughts, we don't have that discipline. So maybe it's time to discipline your thoughts. Like, what thoughts are you thinking? So you need to be disciplined with that also, right? So let's see, what is your blessing? I feel like you are a blessing. I just received that message. You are a blessing. You are an earth angel. You are an angel to so many people. The people, if you are married, your husband is the luckiest, or your wife is the luckiest. That's what I'm getting here. You are a blessing to the world. You are a blessing to the people. yeah, maybe they will not notice that, maybe they will not recognize that how lucky they are, but they are lucky. Okay, wow, look, we have Lady Nada, heart awakening, awaken to acceptance and divine love, give and receive in balance. So I feel like good people are around you. Be compassionate, be kind to yourself, be compassionate to other people. Yeah, you have gone through a lot in your past. It was just to make just for lessons, you know, it came for all the three piles. I feel like that, learning lessons and all. But you have grown a lot, you have grown a lot, group number 3. You have grown a lot, you understand things, your consciousness is you're very aware, you're very conscious, you're very aware, right? So sometimes you fall into that trap again, and it's okay, it's okay. Don't be so hard on yourself, okay? Take one step at a time, okay? Just do something that you love and change your focus, okay? And if you feel like that, sometimes, you know, sometimes we change and maybe like you stop thinking, but you need to let it go also. So it's better you talk it out, let it go, or write it down. Okay, that's also I'm getting. But there is a lot of love around you. Okay, people are lucky to have you. Okay, so let's see. But definitely, if you're working on your finances, there is growth. From your past work, there is growth. There is travel for you guys happening. There is a lot of divine support. You're going to be supported by your divine. And yes, your heart chakra is going to be open. So there is a lot of love. There is a lot of warmth. There is a lot of happy times coming. And yes, you are going to, if you are going through a difficult period, this period will be over. Okay, don't worry. So let's see what else. Achievement. Wow, look. Yeah, if you have been planning for something, look, we have planning and then we have achievement. So yeah, if you're planning, you are going to achieve it. If you have a goal, you're going to achieve it. Enjoy the limelight, you have earned it. Although on the family front, someone's health could cause some secret worries and sleepless night. Oh, okay. So maybe there, but I feel like this is a blessing. So yeah, they will be okay. Your family will be okay. So yeah, don't worry about it. But there is definitely achievement coming your way. Or maybe you're worried about someone's health. Yeah, don't worry, it will be okay. Okay. So yeah, that's what the message is. So let's see the charms here. Yeah, be more playful, guys. Everything will be okay. Sometimes you tend to worry a lot, so change your perception, going high. So again, a travel vibe here. Yeah, I told you I saw an elephant, and we have elephants. So Ganesha is definitely there with you. You're very courageous. You're very strong here with this rhino also. I'm getting very strong. Keep on moving forward. Attachment. Don't be so attached to the things, and that's the only problem I feel like. Yeah, don't be so attached to things. Sometimes, you know, you can love, you can nurture, but don't be so attached. Attachment, letting go of the attachment is something you need to work on, I feel like. And I feel like you will be able to let go of that attachment, that habit, that addiction you have. That is also a blessing here. So of course, good luck is there. So yeah, if you're worried about someone's health in your family, that person will be okay. Okay, yeah, this is a new start, new beginning for you guys. Like number 1, yeah, the things you're planning, you will achieve it. Don't worry. There is so many possibilities with this infinity, with this 8 number. Maybe you're seeing 888. Okay, there is financial growth, definitely. Yeah, a lot of protection. You're protected, your family is protected. I know you love your family. Yeah, they are protected. And yes, again, we have, your intuition is very strong, and that's a blessing. Trust your intuition. Okay, we have F, B, Y, and B again. So let's see more letters for you guys. We have P, we have T, G, and G, and D. I will take. So we have H, X, N, Yeah, your past is over. Don't think too much. It's a new start, like a new cycle. Finally, for some of you, it's like you're completely cutting the codes. So, whenever you're stuck, ask guidance from Archangel Michael. He will help you to cut the codes, okay? And do that white light meditation. Like, imagine this white light entering your, through legs, it's entering all your body. So, just focus on your chakras and let that white light heal you, okay? So, use that white light. I'm getting good work. Appreciation is definitely coming your way. LOA, I'm getting law of attraction is working for you guys. We have been manifesting. You're very good at manifestation. Manifestations are going to happen for you because this is a blank tile. So I took it as a O, okay? Then God. I'm getting God or like we have, yeah, believe in divine. Divine is there for you guys. Of course. Then, yeah, plan. Do we have a plan? Yeah, plan. Keep on planning. Your plans will, your plans will come true. Plan. Manifest your travel plans. What are you planning will come true. If you have a goal or a desire, it will come true. Okay? We got the planning card, isn't it? Yeah. So, what you're planning is going to manifest for you guys. There is some sort of planning if you're doing, it will come true. You will achieve that, your goal. If you have been planning, if you have been strategizing something, yeah, work on it, guys. Then, yeah, good. I'm getting good also. Good things coming your way. Win. Yeah, we have again WIN. Okay. So, bye bye. Happy Diwali, guys.